We're on the beach in Santa Cruz, California for some serious surfing action. Looks like this beach bum has had a few too many. Luckily, these two young surfers are there to fish him out of the waves. They resuscitate him with a tall boy?
A great white guy.
Wait a second. I recognize this guy. Isn't that legendary surfer Big Wave Dan Banyan? It was nearly 50 years ago that Big Wave Dan paddled into one of the biggest waves ever recorded. He was presumed lost at sea. But somehow he survived. We all remember Dan's trademark saggy jeans and winter coat wetsuit. Yep, and there's his signature move. Wait, what's this? He's getting back on the board? We're in for a treat, folks. Nobody gets off a board like Big Wave Dan.
Dan, 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 Big Wave Dan. Dan, 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 Big Wave Dan. Big Wave Dan is full of sand. Big Wave Dan. He's a running and a tripping, stumbling and a drowning. Big Wave Dan, 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 Big Wave Dan.